And the highlight of the video is all the products are below 400. Yes, all the products are below 400. Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, The Dusky Diary. So it's going to be another sit and talk video today where I'm gonna be sharing all the makeup essentials for beginners. Yes, it's a beginner's makeup essential video or a beginner's makeup kit kind of video. All the products are below 400, so it's affordable, effective, and beginner friendly makeup essentials. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Nowadays, the Indian market is so evolved that you can have skincare and makeup in a single product. I'm gonna share such a product with you which works wonderfully on Indian skin tones, and that is from Lakme. It is the Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Compact, which has SPF in it. It is SPF 40, UVB and UVA protection. You can first apply your regular sunscreen, and on top of that you can use this one. This is a wonderful product. It has both skincare and makeup in it because it has SPF obviously, and the second is it is a compact. It's a matte compact. It actually mattifies your skin so well. I'm having it on me right now. It is a unique product. It doesn't have any shade reference to it. It is a universal product actually. That means if you are someone with a lighter skin tone, or if you are someone who has a complexion like me that falls in the brown or medium category, then also this is going to match your skin tone no matter what your skin tone is. It's like magic product. For beginners, I would say you can start using this product because it will make you adapted to the appearance of makeup on your skin. So try this one if you are a beginner. So the next product is, the second product also falls into the category of skincare plus makeup, but it's not a powder formulation, it's a cream formulation. It is BB cream from Pilgrim. It is Pilgrim Glow BB cream with SPF 50 and PA plus plus plus. It is a matte coverage finish one with vitamin C infused. It has Australian Kakadu plum, which is a source of vitamin to it. So it has SPF 50, making it a skincare product, and it is a BB cream, so it acts as a layer of makeup on your skin. This retails for rupees 395 for 30 ml, but you can also get it on a lesser price if you buy it on a sale, or if you buy it from Amazon, which usually has discounted prices, or whenever the brand runs a sale, just go and grab that, because this one I have used it and I have loved it. I am in the shade 05 Almond Glow. So this is also something like a two-in-one kind of product. Moving on to the next product. Understand the theory of color correction, then I think this Pro Palette Concealer from Inside Cosmetics would be a really addition to your makeup, because it has a color corrector which you can use to correct your pigmentation, and also concealer shades that matches to different skin tones. So if you are a beginner and if you have no clarity on what matches your skin tone better, then you can get this one, where you can test and try out different shades and see what works best for you, and get something in the full size of the similar shade. So this is like a trial product, but I would not say this is not a good product. This is a wonderful product because I use this regularly. I use this whenever I shoot videos. I use this whenever I have to wear just minimal kind of makeup. I use this product. This, I would say, is a great product in the affordable range. It is really creamy, and it is really smooth to blend. Moving on to the next product. So we have a loose powder that is kind of compact powder, that is from Blue Heaven. This is also a really affordable product. After you have applied the concealer, you can just go in with this product. This also is available in some three shades. I guess I have used it so much that the sticker is already gone, but I have got it for like 110 rupees again, I think so. Really budget friendly. I use this whenever I want to, just mattify my skin after I put on sunscreen. So after sunscreen, I use this just under my eyes, around my mouth area, and on my forehead area, like that, just to mattify the skin. So for a beginner, I would say you can totally skip this product and get a compact that actually matches your skin tone, or something like the Lakme product that I have shown earlier. This you can use on the days just to mattify your skin. That's it. Moving on to the next product. When I started my makeup journey, I was also unsure of how to choose the right foundation for my skin tone. I mean, even till date, I feel confused on what foundation shade matches me the most in different brands. In such scenarios, powder foundations come really handy. I started using this one from Lakme, and I don't think I would want to wear that regular foundations anymore after I have started using this powder foundation. That is from Lakme. It is their powder foundation in the shade Natural Almond. This is from Lakme 9 to 5 range. Lakme 9 to 5 powder foundation. Lakme really do have such amazing product, but no one really talks about that. I think like when it comes to compact powders and powder foundation, I think they have a really good products. And not just that, they have also like really good shade of lipsticks also. We have to start supporting our homegrown brands. This one is like my favorite. It comes with a mirror, and this is how the powder foundation looks like, and it also has a powder puff. This is really good, guys. The quality, it's not cheap at all. It is spongy, it is soft, but it is also of good quality. This says actually it retails for 625, but I have got it for like 315 rupees from Purple in their I Heard Beauty sale. Moving on to the next product. And the next product, you guys might think this is not so important or essential, but to have that subtle difference of no makeup look, I think this is like your best friend, and it's like a magic wand. That is eyelash curler. This I have got like back in 2020, I guess, and it is still there, still sturdy. Yeah, a bit broken, but it does the job. I will update you guys if I upgrade this to a new one, but as of now this is in good working condition and does the job. You might think this might not make a big difference, but just try using eyelash curler and on top of that applying a mascara. That would look much better than applying just mascara. So this falls under the essentials of makeup. Okay, so give it a try. Next product. Next up we have mascara, and that is from Inside Cosmetics. It is their Inside Mascara Makeup Essential. This actually comes with wait, let me show you guys. This actually comes with a brush like this, just to separate your lashes or comb your lashes. This is tiny and so cute actually. The mascara is really good. I mean, it actually lengthens your lashes. I have it on me right now, you can see this. So if you are someone who is looking for affordable mascaras, then I think this one is the one for you. I'm not gonna add kajal in the makeup essentials, because if you're going for a no makeup look, then mascara makes much difference when compared to kajal. Kajal is something for glam looks, I feel like. But if you want to add kajal in your daily routine, then feel free to add it. But we are not gonna add it. Okay. Next product that we have, it's cheek and lip tint. That is from Blue Heaven. It is their kiss and blush lip and cheek tint in the shade roasted berries, I think. In the shade roasted berry. This one, it actually glides like a butter. I really like this product because it is multi-purpose. You can use it both on cheeks and lips. I have this on my cheeks right now. You don't need any fancy blending brushes to use this product. Just warm it up with your fingers and apply it. Dab, dab, dab. That's it. You're good to go. And you can use this on your lips also for your daily purpose and line it with a lip liner. But this is not long staying on the lips. But on cheeks, I assure you, it stays for longer time. It's like 9 to 5 on cheeks. Moving on to the next product. I would say just skip your meals, but don't skip your lip liner. It is that important. Using a lip liner on your lips, it gives a structure and definition to your lips, just makes everything look more elevated when you use a lip liner. And this one from Mars, it is their Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade Scandalous Brown. A brown lip liner is a brown girl's friend. You can choose any darker shade of lip liner, because if you are gonna use it on daily basis, then choosing a cool tone lip liner is not a perfect match for you. So go for a warm tone, dark shade of lip liner so that you can pair it up with a lighter shade of lip color also to neutralize the whole look. This one is from Mars. Swiss Beauty also has lip liners in the same affordable range, so you can check them out also. But anyways, I have linked down the products in the description box. Do check them out. I have also added budget friendly alternative options for these products also. Do check them out. And yeah, by the way, this retails for around rupees 65, which is a steal. The next product that we have is of course lipstick, and this is from Maybelline. It is their creamy matte range. I am suggesting you a creamy matte range because if you are someone who is a beginner to lipsticks, like if you are someone who just started off using lipsticks, then I think matte lipsticks might feel a bit drying on your lips, so you can start off by using creamy lipsticks. This is like really creamy, really creamy. You don't feel your lips dried at all. Just look at this. It's really creamy and the color is really beautiful. It just suits all the Indian skin tone so good. I have it on me right now. It is not transfer proof. It transfers a lot, but that is what you expect from a creamy matte lipstick. You have to like reapply it whenever you eat something or drink something. But I think for a beginner, this is a great option instead of starting with a really matte liquid lipstick because that feels really drying on the lips if you are a beginner. So start off with a creamy matte lipstick only, and Maybelline has like different shades also. This is almond pink, 507 almond pink, and I guess that's it. This is all you need as a beginner to start your makeup journey, to elevate your look. You can use them regularly for your no makeup looks also. So that's it for the video. This is what you need to kickstart your makeup journey. Do not forget to drop your comments on how you like these products if you have already used them, so that others can get idea on the products before they actually purchase them for the first time, because hot girls don't gatekeep. And if you have not seen my skincare recommendations video, then tap the above link so that you don't miss out on any of the recommendations. See you in another video. Bye.